Earlier today, the passenger side window in my Jetta GLI worked just fine, but now it doesn't. So you can hear the motor in the passenger side door still working. It just appears to be off the track, so we're gonna have to pull the door panel off and see what's going on with that, see if we can fix that. So the first step in the window repair is removing these 3 T20 torque bits from the bottom here. So the next step is to use a pry tool to remove this outer door handle, and then there's 2 more screws inside there. This side, it was already broken on this car, so the 2 screws in the door handles are Phillips heads, and then you should be able to just remove it. So then you just go through, slide the door lock down through, unhook the door latch, all these connections. As I suspected, these door panels have been off before. These are aftermarket Pioneer speakers, so Pioneer radio. There are amp wires under the back seat. I'll probably remove those completely. Okay, so I didn't take the door panel off completely. I just pried it back a little on the bottom, and I could see that the window was not sitting in the 2 slots. Now, as soon as I looked in, it looked like the window was broken, but it's just scratches on the tint, and there's definitely another one at the bottom. But I set it back in the track, put the key in, quick turn, passenger window working again. So I think maybe it just came off the track. I loosen this screw here, and then you can set the window deeper in and tighten it back up. So this time we left the window track in the serviceable area. We're going to put the motor back on, push the window down by hand, then tighten those up and see if we can get it back on track. So if your Jetta window falls down or gets stuck in the door, maybe it just came off the track and you can just put it back in those 2 feet and then you'll be all set. So I got lucky there, we didn't have to fix the regulator, pretty happy about that. Just over 130,000 miles on the GLI.